We saw a few days ago Corbett Fraser saying we're going to do wealth management. We're on the edge of James Gorman. Do we have a Fraser strategy when I look at these numbers, which are pretty mediocre?
Well, the consumer strategy is one we're going to watch right away because they did announce changes there to really consolidate some of those units. Can they compete with the likes of a Morgan Stanley that has been growing through acquisition? You're right. That's a question mark. The returns are what they are.
Yeah, well, there's a question also, Sonali, about whether JP Morgan is consolidating its market share, particularly in the trading aspects and pulling away from some of the other firms. Is that what we're seeing right now in Citigroup earnings, or is there something else here?
Wow. Well, I mean, that fixed income trading number I want to turn back to for a second, because you're talking about consolidating market share and wealth. JP Morgan has new leadership there, too. So we have a strategy among JP Morgan. We have a strategy among Morgan Stanley. This is Michael Corbat's last earnings report as well. Laying off this transition plan among leadership is something that they will be speaking to, and also turning the page on some of this competition here with fixed income trading falling below estimates in a banner year where Citigroup was one of the top debt underwriters in the world is disappointing.
Yeah, meanwhile, we have Michael Corbat, who, as he left, he said he wanted this to be a boring bank. What is the profitable model of a boring bank in 2021, Sonali?
Well, unfortunately, it can never be so boring, because to keep costs in line, that must mean headcounts somewhere, right, Lisa? So what does that look like? How do you keep staff energized while you're also fighting off some of these demons?